If you truly care about your oral health, this video is for you. ProvaDent is a premium oral health supplement that goes beyond daily brushing. It works from the inside out, helping protect your gums, strengthen your teeth, and restore the balance of your mouth's microbiome with quality ingredients and scientific support. ProvaDent features a powerful blend of ingredients, including purple carrot powder, rich in antioxidants to fight inflammation, organic xylitol, a natural sweetener that fights cavity-causing bacteria. Cranberry Extract helps prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to teeth and gums. And 4 carefully selected probiotic strains to restore and maintain a healthy oral microbiome. This is serious care, using nature and science in perfect balance. With consistent use, ProvaDent can help reduce gingivitis, control bad breath, strengthen enamel, and even support oral immunity, all without harsh chemicals. If you're ready to take your oral health seriously, visit the official ProvaDent website. You'll find multiple purchase options, including discounted multi-month kits for long-term care. The official link is in the pinned comment and also in the video description. ProvaDent is more than a supplement, it's a commitment to your health. Click the link, explore the site, and choose the best plan for you. Your smile deserves it.